cold weather season is where performance, warmth, and reliability intersect with everyday practicality. Sorel remains a go-to brand for many buyers because its boots blend weatherproof construction with city-appropriate style. In this review, I test and compare 5 Sorel winter boots across a price range from budget to premium to help you match the right model to your climate, activity level, and budget. Product number 1. Women's Out and About 4 Chills Waterproof Boot. The Out and About 4 Chills is designed to tackle urban winter with faux shearling insulation and the classic duck boot silhouette. Its emphasis is on warmth with a modern, city-friendly aesthetic while maintaining practical waterproofing for wet snow and slush. The boot leverages Sorel's winter-ready construction and Chill's faux shearling lining to offer a comfortable, fashion-forward option for daily use. Performance and use. In typical urban conditions, the Chills delivers reliable warmth around the toes and midfoot with decent insulation for sub-20 degrees Celsius days when paired with a medium-weight sock. The outsole provides solid traction on slick city sidewalks, though it may lack the deeper lugs found on more rugged snow boots. The faux shearling enhances comfort but may compress over time. Overall, fit tends to be true to size with a roomier toe box, which suits thicker socks. Best used for short to moderate commutes, dry to maintain snow conditions, and casual wear. For heavy-duty powder days, consider a dedicated snow boot with deeper traction. Product number 2. Women's Tivoli V-Tall Waterproof Boot. The Tivoli V-Tall waterproof boot is a premium, tall shaft option in Sorel's Tivoli line. It blends classic styling with robust waterproofing, aiming to offer warmth, protection, and a refined appearance for winter wear. The tall silhouette improves leg coverage and protection while maintaining a fashionable edge suitable for urban and light outdoor use. Performance and use. The Tivoli V-Tall excels in slush and light snow performances with a tall shaft that helps seal out cold drafts and moisture. The insulation is designed for extended wear, making it suitable for commutes and routine outdoor activities in cold climates. The boot provides reliable traction on wet surfaces due to a weatherproof membrane and tread pattern, though it may be slightly heavier than shorter models. The overall experience emphasizes comfort over long wear periods, with a snug fit around the calf and a cushioned insole for daily wear. Ideal for all-day city use and casual winter adventures with moderate snowfall. Product number 3. Women's Out and About LV Classic Waterproof Boot. This model is positioned as an elevated version of the classic Sorel duck boot, engineered for elements while balancing modern design. It emphasizes luxury-grade craftsmanship with practical waterproofing and a refined silhouette suitable for both outdoor excursions and city life. Performance and use. The Out and About LV Classic Waterproof Boot offers dependable waterproofing with a refined exterior that works well for urban commutes and snow-lecked sidewalks. The boot's upper materials provide durability, while the insulation is tuned to deliver warmth across typical winter days. The outsole delivers solid traction on wet surfaces, though it may not have the aggressive tread of more rugged winter boots. Use case suitability includes daily wear in winter cities, light hiking on packed trails, and travel where weather is variable. It's a versatile option that aims to deliver luxury and practicality in one package. Product number 4. Women's Tivoli V Waterproof Boot. The Tivoli V Waterproof Boot is a staple in the Tivoli line, combining reliable winter protection with a sleek, everyday appropriate silhouette. It emphasizes waterproof construction and winter-ready details to keep feet dry and comfortable during daily winter routines. Performance and use. This model excels in everyday winter wear, especially in urban environments with mixed precipitation. The waterproof membrane offers solid protection against slush and rain, and the insulation provides comfort without excessive bulk. The outsole pattern yields good traction on slick pavements, though it may not be optimized for heavy snow. The Tivoli V is suited for commuting, running errands, and casual outings in cold, damp conditions. It shines as a dependable all-rounder with a modern look. Product number 5. Women's Whitney III Mid-Waterproof. The Whitney III Mid-Waterproof stands as a mid-height option in Sorel's lineup, focusing on reliable waterproofing and classic styling with modern comfort features. It sits between everyday wear and more aggressive winter silhouettes, offering versatility for varied winter scenarios. Performance and use. The Whitney III Mid-Waterproof is well suited for urban wear and light outdoor activity in wet, cool conditions. The mid-height provides a balance of ankle support and mobility, while the waterproof construction keeps feet dry during rain, slush, and snow. Traction on slick surfaces is reliable, though not as aggressively treaded as dedicated snow boots. It's a practical choice for those who want a stylish boot that can handle routine winter commutes and casual excursions without appearing overly rugged.